The joy of a bountiful spring garden starts with thoughtful winter planning. A well-structured plan is your roadmap to success. Now is the time to dream, scheme, and prepare for a flourishing garden. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Many gardeners, especially beginners, fall prey to common mistakes that can hinder their garden's potential. Overcrowding is a frequent error, leading to competition for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. Another common pitfall is neglecting soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Ignoring its needs can lead to stunted growth and disappointing yields. Improper watering techniques can also sabotage your efforts. Overwatering can suffocate roots, while underwatering leaves plants parched and vulnerable. Lastly, ignoring the unique needs of each plant can spell disaster. Different plants have different sunlight, water, and nutrient requirements. Research and understand your chosen crops for optimal results. Choosing the right crops for your garden is crucial. Opt for varieties that thrive in your climate and soil type. Consider your family's preferences and select vegetables, herbs, and flowers that you'll enjoy. Space management is key to a productive garden. Utilize vertical space with trellises for climbing plants like beans and cucumbers. Practice succession planting, sowing fast-growing crops like radishes alongside slower-maturing vegetables like tomatoes. Soil health is paramount. Amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its structure, drainage, and nutrient content. Consider getting a soil test to understand its composition and pH level. Lastly, group plants with similar needs together. For instance, water-loving plants like lettuce and spinach can share a bed, while drought-tolerant herbs can be planted in a sunnier location. Section 4. Planting for peak performance. Once you've chosen your crops and prepared your garden beds, it's time to plant. Timing is crucial. Start seeds indoors a few weeks before the last expected frost for tender crops like tomatoes and peppers. When sowing seeds directly into the ground, follow the recommended spacing on the seed packet. Overcrowding can lead to spindly plants and reduced yields. Water your seedlings or transplants thoroughly after planting. Use a gentle watering method to avoid disturbing the roots. Add a layer of mulch around your plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Remember to label your plants. This will help you keep track of what you've planted and make it easier to provide the appropriate care for each crop. Section 5. Nurturing nature's bounty. Ongoing care is essential for a thriving garden. Water your plants regularly, providing deep watering sessions rather than frequent shallow sprinklings. Check the soil moisture regularly, especially during hot, dry spells. Fertilize your plants to replenish nutrients. Use organic fertilizers like compost tea or fish emulsion for a sustainable approach. Mulch regularly to maintain healthy soil and reduce weed pressure. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is key to preventing widespread problems. Handpick pests, use insecticidal soap, or introduce beneficial insects to manage infestations naturally. Gardening is a continuous learning experience. Don't be afraid to experiment, observe, and adapt your methods based on your garden's needs and your observations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.